The opinions expressed in the following program are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect those of Rogers or Rogers TV.
Welcome back to South Asian Live. I'm your host Yudhvir Jaiswal, and I know many of you must be getting ready for the action tomorrow morning at Kochi. India versus West Indies is the first one-day international match, and also the Ashes series has started as of now. Australia versus England, the first test match is on. We're going to talk more about that in our next show, but let's wrap it up over here. Tony ji, आप आए स्टूडियो में, आपका बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. Before you leave, what do you want to say?
I would ask each and every person to come over to our Winter Gala show and just see what ICCC is, what ICCC is doing it, and especially for the film and TV forum, what we are doing it. And also there will be a big surprise for the award winner that we want to keep it as a secret.
You know, one of the things which other point I want to really excite our community and our audience and the Canadians is that you know, you will see that where the chamber is going. Chamber is going to be soon. If you're looking at growing your business, especially for the small and medium enterprises, we are coming with a resource center and a center of excellence. As a chamber, we bought our own office building, which is 924 East Mall, which is Eglinton and 427. And the top floor, there is an event floor, which our businesses will be able to use for their events. But the top floor is going to be a resource center and center of excellence, where if you're looking for growing your business, you will have one-stop approach where you can get the resources, and stay tuned on it. Mostly we are coming, the work is in progress, and mostly we should be in January, we should be ready. Might be a few days here and there. So if you're not today associated with the chamber, this is the right time to start getting associated with the chamber. Become the member of the chamber, get associated. I think chamber can benefit you big time when you're looking for your networking, your business growth, your different things which can be done.
Thank you very much, Mr. Naval, and thank you, Tony.
Thank you.
ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ Mr. Naval Bajaj, he's the president of Indo-Canada Chamber of Commerce. We had also had the vice president, Mr. Jain, earlier on the show, and we also had Mr. Tony Chawla, who's also the vice president. On a very serious note, a very important article, that's what we have on the front page of Midweek today. There are एक बहुत बड़ा drug network जो है, major drug network जो है वो इंडिया में पकड़ा गया है, and the SSP of Patiala, Mr. Maan, he has identified 32 Indo-Canadians. So ये सारी डिटेल कौन-कौन ये लोग हैं, ड्रग नेटवर्क में कौन-कौन लोग शामिल हैं यहाँ कनाडा में, और उनका ये कहना है कि जी लोग तो शायद 90 से 100 हो सकते हैं, लेकिन तकरीबन 32 इंडो-कैनेडियंस जो है उनके नाम जो हैं उन्होंने यहाँ कैनेडियन एजेंसीज को दे दिए हैं. एसएसपी पटियाला मिस्टर मान जो कुछ उन्होंने कहा है, और खासकर उन्होंने अपील की है इंडो-कैनेडियंस के कि इस काम से ज़रा दूर रहें. आज के मिडवीक अखबार के फ्रंट पेज पर यू कैन रीड दिस न्यूज़. सारी डिटेल हमने वहाँ पर आज ये सारी डिक्लेयर की है. सो मिडवीक न्यूज़पेपर की कॉपी लेके ज़रूर पढ़ें, और हमें इंतजार रहता है आपकी फीडबैक का. अगले हफ्ते इसी तरह एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेके हम आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होंगे. आज हमने डिस्कशन की रॉकफोर्ड के ऊपर, उसके अलावा मेयर ऑफ ब्रैम्पटन जिस ट्रिप पर गई थी इंडो कनाडा चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स ने अपना उस पर ओपिनियन भी दिया. क्रिकेट की भी बात हमने की, और अगले हफ्ते इसी तरह एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके मैं आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होऊंगा. युद्धवीर जायसवाल को यहीं इजाज़त दें, और हमें फीडबैक का आपका हमेशा इंतजार रहता है. डू लॉग ऑन टू आवर वेबसाइट एंड प्लीज़ डू प्रोवाइड अस योर फीडबैक. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग. युद्धवीर जायसवाल को यहीं इजाज़त दें.
Thank you जी.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.